especially when you're in a hurry. Speaking of being in a hurry or feeling complacent,
Okay.
let's move on to evacuation plans.
Mhm.
Evacuation plans, all right?
Picture this. The fire alarm goes off.
Okay.
Smoke is filling the building.
All right.
Everyone's panicking.
Yeah.
Do you know what to do?
That's a good point. It's easy to underestimate evacuation plans,
Yeah.
but in an emergency, those few seconds
Yes.
could be the difference between life or death.
Mm-hmm.
And you know what's interesting?
What's that?
In a panic situation,
Oh, okay.
our brains, they tend to revert to habitual behavior.
So if we haven't practiced,
Yeah, if you haven't practiced,
we're more likely to just
you'll freeze up.
freeze up and make a bad decision.
Absolutely.
So know your exit route
Do it now.
beforehand. Don't wait for an emergency to figure it out. Take a look around
Yeah.
wherever you are, your
Yeah.
home, wherever you are.
Yeah.
Figure out the quickest way out.
And remember, elevators are usually a no-go during a fire.
Yes, always opt for the stairs.
Always.
And once you're out,
Mm-hmm.
know where the meeting point is. Yeah, that's important.
Especially for workplaces.
Yeah, you got to know where everyone's supposed to be.
Exactly. And
yours.
if you have any mobility issues,
Yeah.
so just make sure you communicate that
Yes, absolutely.
so people can assist you.
Very good point. It's all about being prepared.
Yeah.
Okay, so I've got our escape route.